I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. I am a city built on a hill that cannot be hidden. I am the light of the world. Hi guys, welcome to our luxury hotel room tour in Abu Dhabi UAE. Yo, I can't wait to show you guys the amazingness of this hotel room. It's amazing. First of all, we are at the Grand Hyatt Hotel in Abu Dhabi, and this hotel room is amazing. Like, it's so beautiful, and the view, I'm going to save it for last because it's the most beautiful thing about this hotel. That's what sold us when we had to choose the hotel to come here for our stay. So yeah guys, I'm so excited. I can't wait to show you guys what this room looks like. So come with me and enjoy this tour. So first of all, we are at the entryway. This is the entryway, and then coming over here we have this small display area. I think you can drop your keys or something here when you just walk in the room. And then over here on my right, we have the bathroom with, what the real estate agent call this door? The barn door. Guys, please comment down below what's the name of the door, but I know I'll remember later. I just forgot right now. So we open it right here. We have our luxurious bathroom.
About all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching, you're getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah.
Coming on this side, we have our amazing sanctuary bathroom with this amazing bathtub right here. It's so huge, yo. I feel like we can fit like 3 people in this bathtub. It's very huge, and also it looks very modern and stylish. We have our 2 mirrors here. Yeah, look at these mirrors. Okay, I think it's so hot today. The humidity has caused the mirrors to be like this, and let's just ignore that. Okay, so we have 2 sinks. We have a tissue dispenser, and also they give us this nice body lotion from Eco. We have this box right here that has a toothbrush and toothpaste, which comes in very handy. Also in our bathtub, they gave us some bath gel, shampoo, and conditioner right here. And walking our way over here, we have our closet. In this area is where we have our items. These are our luggages. We settled in already, okay? We made ourselves at home. And over here we have our ropes. They give 2 ropes also. And here we have an ironing board and the iron, a safe that comes in very handy for those of you who are working with gold and diamonds. We don't have gold and diamonds. So here, and also we have blow dryer and also a shaving machine right here, and also just regular laundry items. And then when you come over here, we have the area for our number 2. So this is where you do the number 2, you do the do, okay? And also they have an emergency telephone right here in case of anything. If you don't hope for any emergency, you can call for help. Also, over here we have our shower. This is the shower right here. Also very spacious, 2 people can fit here at once. And we have also our shower items, shower gel, and everything is from Eco Essence. Okay, this is not sponsored by them, just saying. So yeah, now that we are done with the bathroom, guys, come on, let's go over to the room.
Nothing to discuss, cause I take by fountain without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl is out. I'm a mind that's you.
Come over to the room. We have our screen right here, our TV. As you all can see, we have the Grand Hyatt display over here on the TV. And also we have our telephone for emergency and for whatever of your hotel needs that you might have during your stay here. We have also a paper and a pen for those of you who like to script in the morning. Yeah. And then when you come over here, this is our amazing room. This is the bed. This is the bed. It looks so amazing and beautiful. It's a king size bed and it has two beautiful bar stools. So we have this area right here for lounging and work for those of you who are working. And here we have our mini bar. This is what they call the mini bar area. Very nice, and also it comes with a fridge which is empty. And our coffee is here. They provide us also with coffee items, and that's pretty much it about that. And also they have these water bottles. Also they have this control area right here. This controls the light and the curtains and everything. Yeah, so this is the control area. Walking our way outside, let's open up this door. Okay, we need muscles for this. Oh. So welcome to the view. So guys, we are outside in the balcony. That's a very huge balcony. Yo, you can literally play dodging here. Okay? People can play, no dodging. That's not we used to play when we are back at home. Very nice. So it's a very, very huge size balcony. As you can see, and we have the view of the sea over there. For the Emirates Plaza Hotel. I don't know how to put it, Emirates Plaza. I don't know exactly, but I will put the exact name in the video when I see it. Amazing view at the bottom. Guys, hope you enjoyed this hotel room tour. I cannot wait to explore. We have to go to the beach and I'm going to take you guys along with me, so stay tuned for the vlog. And yeah guys, thank you for watching. Comment down below your thoughts and remember to subscribe if you're new and subscribe to this channel, okay, please. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and catch you all in the next video. Bye guys.